This one was bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I still want to go watch it though.
Stuck you in looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck you in looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did.
Oh, really?
Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Call it in on your favors.
Not me, what have my bag?
Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace. You can have it, just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Nothing happened by accident. Flowers bloom 'cause you planted them. Watered them to perfection. And now there's no more empty vases. Passionate and so nurturing. And watch it grow from the seeds you sent. Now you reap all the benefits.
You guys what?
Well, I remember
Let the
the day you
fears
used
fly
to
away.
hold
Ride
the
it
bread.
out like a wave.
Really?
Calling in on your
I forget.
favors. Call 'em in.
So it's impressive.
Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave, allow yourself some grace. You can
He said to me,
just like the wind, just let it pass through, just let it pass you. You do what you do, just like the wind, just let it pass through, just let it pass you. You do what you do. It's new now, 'cause you left all the baggage behind. Took a chance and just look what you found. Yeah, you know that it was about time. Yeah. It's new now, 'cause you left all the baggage behind. Took a chance and just look what you found. Yeah, you know that it was about time. Yeah, just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do.
is that uncomfortable for you?
No, she does this everywhere we go.
Really? I have to remember. I'm not going to be Korea forever.
Do you have enough storage in your room?
Not all the time, but now I do. I make the space. So what I do when I record usually for YouTube, I post it and then I delete.
What do we call this in Korean? There's a word for
Don't
this,
say that. He
right? What was
once
it again?
told me.
What was it? I forgot. Now I forgot what the word was.
What was like a person that's like
The person
too
that
obsessed
is
Wanna
with
get
like,
attention.
themselves.
that's very like wants attention and very like obsessed with with herself or himself.
I didn't even know there was
But in Korean, there's a Korean word.
You said, I remember the word you said to me.
Yeah.
Like,
What was it again?
about
관종?
me.
관종. Yeah, 관종. Yeah.
When did he tell you that word?
Everybody knows that word.
What was he talking about?
I mean, that's time we meet.
Also, we met.
Like
with Alan and everybody.
Why did he use that word?
It's a good
that is
word.
the only word that can
Describe.
Yeah.
describe that.
Describe who?
Who else?
The person who wanna get attention. Not you.
What was the context used? What are you guys talking about for you to use that word? I need to understand.
No, I don't know what it is. It stands for. 관종.
I don't know what it means. Like, I know the meaning of it is used when like somebody does. It's a good thing though. It's a good thing. Loving yourself is a good thing.
You know what he said to me? He said, I'm narcissistic. Like, not in a bad way.
It's a good way.
He's like, it can be bad in a bad way.
There's no good way to be narcissistic though.
if you're a narcissist, you suck.
Narcissistic in a good way.
Wait. Look what's there?
What happened?
The Italian restaurant? No.
What happened?
Across the thingy.
Oh, your photo left. You can go.
Everybody's going.
Why?
You guys can go.
Did you see that picture that they
What
took of the
picture?
middle schoolers?
Oh,
Ellen Eden took out the middle schoolers
When? When?
yesterday.
yesterday? After class?
Yeah.
No, during the
Jordan saw them.
During the class?
the third graders.
Oh. So they just took his class out while you
Well,
guys
they
are...
were supposed to be a lesson with me, and he's like, I'm taking them out for dinner. So I said, cool, have fun. I don't have to do work this.
What time was that?
Like 7:30.
Ah, okay. Like almost at that time.
They didn't do anything. You guys didn't do anything in the class, right?
No, yeah, I just had to entertain them while he was busy with the
Which
parents.
middle class students are they?
3.
The Ellie and...
Yeah, no, Bailey.
Bailey.
Bailey's age group.
Oh. But you can have it. It's already cooked. I think it's a bit...
You know, I have a friend that still doesn't know seafood. And she's been here like 4 years.
I don't know
tried these ones.
Yeah, no, there's a preference. We don't really, I don't like them either.
I think it's too far for you guys to... I'll put it on the plate so that you guys can...
Where is the sauce?
What sauce?
These are so.
You can take from there.
What sauce? Okay, sure.
Is this garlic?
Which one?
Where? What is
Yes,
this?
that's garlic. That's garlic.
I don't think.
Nicole,
What is
do
this?
you have garlic? Raw garlic? Never once while you're in Korea? Never once you had raw garlic before?
I've taken that and chewing it. Thank you.
Really? Oh,
What is this?
Julian, have some.
Why would I do that?
No, but that's like a Korean thing too. So I thought like because you've been here long enough, so I think you will like have that Korean experience.
Nah.
You know, have that.
Can you pass me the scissors and what is that?
Oh, scissor.
And another one.
And then
Because I thought I knew the last time for doing that. I had the green one. Very good. Easy. I want to try the one. You can try the green one. It's really nice, but like a little bit. It's wasabi. Have you ever tried wasabi?
No.
Yeah, try it.
No.
Have you never tried wasabi at
any
all?
plans for the
A little
upcoming
bit, but wait.
break? Are you going anywhere?
We can?
What are you trying to say? Excuse me? Excuse me.
No, that's another one.
Yeah.
What is it?
Oopsie. Do you happen to blah blah? Yeah.
Okay.
By any chance?
Yeah, by any chance. Can I get some more water? Thank you. Anything. man.
No, he was walking and then he's like touching her and see like both of them. I think it's just worse when he had braids. Like yesterday, this lady was like, and I pretend like I didn't see him. And so I'm like, then she walked in like, she said something I didn't hear. And I'm like, oh yeah. She was like,
Always fascinating.
it's like, I would think by now maybe they've seen like a lot more people.
Maybe some. Oh, putting your coat glass. Ah.
It's nice.
It's good.
Does it have meat?
What meat?
I didn't give you any because you said you didn't want to try it, right? So I gave you the other product.
They want tofu.
Yeah, I'll give you the other. Look, under there's no tofu at all.
I thought there was.
In the picture though. I mean like in the picture.
This looks like tofu. Is this chicken?
It's pork. Should we order more meat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. What do I do?
You heard what she said, right? You heard what she said, right? We can order more meat.
Oh, blaming you.
She's gonna take responsibility. She's gonna take responsibility.
These are all.
Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh yeah. Eh, eh, eh. Oh, you know we were meant for this magic, but living in the moment, feeling ecstatic. And if the night gets cold, let's turn up the heat, yeah. With every beat we feel, the night could be surreal. Could be surreal. When the beat drops down low, let it pull you in real close. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, babe. And if you lose our way and shine through the shadows, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, babe. And if you lose our way and shine through the shadows, baby, I'll shine through the shadows. Darling, nothing can come in between us, 'cause your breath's the rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in your gravity, falling, I can't believe this night just belongs to me.
Ice gigs.
What's the magic for? They do
the
magic. They do magic tricks.
Oh, sure. Let's go to the magic pub. What? Oh, magic box.
I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real,
Let me have some fun.
you lose our way and shine through the shadows. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, babe. If you lose our way and shine through the shadows, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, babe. If you lose our way and shine through the shadows, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. No holding back, it's real, babe. It's real, babe. If you lose our way and shine through the shadows.
Like, this is.
Just, I let you know, he's secretly judging you for it.
No, it's a good thing. Okay.
So, the first guy.
because he saw Nicole assumed that you're waiting for another forever.
Yes. Then he asked me, "Are
So
you?"
racist.
I don't know. That's what he said. So he said yes. Then, oh, can you like tell like him or her like about this problem? And I said, okay, sure, why not? So hopefully it's not you, right?
No, it's not.
Okay, that's fine.
But I think it's not. Because
If you think it's not, then it is you. Then.
No. No, that's not it. It's just that.
Okay. Okay, but
Okay, take your time. Take your time.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
What is happening here?
Is that a puppy?
It is a puppy.
Do you have a puppy saved as your
No. Wait, hold on. Parking 주차. Oh, is it because of this?
I don't think so.
Traffic.
I mean, maybe it's contributing.
Oh man. Then I think we should.
With what?
Is it 1.5?
Where's the what?
1528번 쪽입니다. 1514번